Hey guys, I want to do a video on Magic and what it is and how it works and for your installation process as well. So first off, Magic is a trendline visual order execution program for the MetaTrader 4 platform. Magic can actually trade any market you can imagine, Forex, CFDs, and so on and so forth. You can contact us for one-on-one mentorship, see if you qualify. We do workshops, seminars, and trade room and educational program. Magic is the best technical analysis software in the world. So our future plans with Magic is creating an installer for you to upload Magic Plus easily. There'll be added features and benefits, auto trendline, super Magic version, and like I said, you'll find more details if you attend one of our seminars. So the Magic installation process, first off, what you want to do is open the MT4 platform. Then you want to click on File and open the data folder. Open the MQL4 folder, then open Expert folder, then drag and drop the Magic EX4 file into the Expert folder. Close and then reopen the MetaTrader 4 platform, and then you'll have Magic on your charts. The next step is the activation part. Now, Magic activation, what you do is you open the Navigator folder, click on Expert Advisor, drag drop Magic into the charts, check mark Allow Live Trading, Allow DLL Imports, Allow Expert of External Experts. Enable the auto trading set as green. There's a green button. You can turn it off or you can turn it on. Make sure it's green, and you'll see a smiley face on the Magic EA. So the Magic setup, go to Tools, then Options, check mark Allow Automatic Trading, disable Automated Trading when the account has been changed, check mark Disable Automated Trading when the profile has been changed. Allow DLL imports, allow external expert imports. Make sure all these are check marked. Magic must be on the broker that are on our list. Okay, it may not. This version of Magic is not allowed on all MT4 platforms. So Magic settings. So what you want to do is, if you want to change the settings, is you click on Magic, you right click on it, the icon, the little smiley face, then you go to Expert Advisors, click on Properties, change input settings to the desired usage. So in the settings section, you can change the time frame, you can change the lot size, you can change whatever you think that's necessary for your account. And you can refer to the manual as well for this information as well. Then you can turn off the alert notification. That's what I do. Save the settings that you created. Okay, you can name it whatever. If you decide to have the H1 chart or the 1 hour chart, then you can save Magic H1 and you can save it. And for easier access is you just click on the template and save the template name. You can just save it as a template, like a blank chart or whatever indicators you decide to use. On that chart, you can actually just have it so it's set correctly, and you can save the settings and save it as a template, and so it's easy access to your template folder. Now, how to use Magic? It's very easy. All you have to do is click on the horizontal line or trend line. You can draw your trend lines or support and resistance lines onto your charts. Then what you want to do is you double click on the line, then right click, click on horizontal or trend line properties, type in the command in the description. So you can actually, whatever command you decide to put in there, you can refer to the manual or the YouTube channel, exactly spelled correctly. So refer to the command section or the user manual for more information. Once these are displayed, you'll see it on the top left hand side of the command in place. So when those parameters are met, then Magic will execute that command that you give it. Here are the following commands for Magic Plus that we have right now. It's buy break, sell break, and you can put in the distance, which is whatever amount you want to break through. Then you have a limitation, meaning that if it's too big, if it surpasses the limit, so if you have a 10-10 setting, that means that it must break 10 pips above the line if it's a buy break scenario. And if you have another 10, that means it must, or let's say do 10-20, excuse me. So if we put in the 10 as the distance and then comma space 10, then you can actually have a limitation of how big the candlestick is. If it surpasses that amount, it will not open a position. It must come back and close within that range that you decide to create between the distance and the limit. Same thing with the buy SL and sell SL command. These are your stop loss and stop loss levels. You can make it so it's a distance from the line. So if you put buy SL 10, that means you're looking for a hit 10 pips above the line that you draw. Buy TP, sell TP works the exact opposite as the take profit or the stop loss. So you can use either a distance and also a percentage. So you can actually take off a certain percentage of the trade that you're looking to exit out. Okay, the buy close SL, sell close SL is a closing command. So if you're looking for a breakout trade and then you're looking for a close as your stop loss, meaning if the market keeps on trending upwards but you're looking for a close on another side of a trend line, closing you out as kind of like a trailing stop but in a closing manner. The buy profit SL, sell profit SL, the distance and distance of the SL. So these are commands that you can refer to in the manual. Basically, you're taking profits off the table. So the following brokers that we're using right now is IronFX. These are people that are outside the US. It's the third world largest brokerage. Forex Broker Inc. They do allow US and non-US clients, and they also allow 1 to 500 leverage. You must request this leverage amount. AVA Trader, they also give a variety of options. You don't have to trade only Forex with Magic. You can actually trade options or CFDs or anything that you can imagine, and you can refer to them and ask them what other markets you can trade with. IC Markets is specifically outside the US. They also offer some high leverage for clients, and they have a lot of benefits there. FinFX does allow US and non-US clients, and you can also refer to them or give them a call to open a real account or a demo account using Magic. So there's future brokers that we're in the process of. Wanda's one on the list that's been recommended by some of our clients. So we're in that process depending on the situation. And some of the other brokers we may not work with just because we want to work with the best brokers that are feasible for our clients, depending on where they're located and what they offer. But if there is a broker that you're specifically looking for, please contact us and let us know why you think that broker is a good broker. So Magic Trades, once the command is listed on the top left hand side of the bar, the market meets the parameters, the commanding parameters, the Magic will execute the trade or function that the trader gives the line. The list of commands and usage you can refer to the YouTube channel or the manual for more information. So the general steps of using Magic is you draw a line, you enter a command, the Magic does the rest. Some of the requirements of using Magic is it is a EDU, meaning educational product, that the trader must know a trading plan. So if you are undereducated or you're really new to Forex, then we do suggest to work with some of our educational products. Now, if you already have a trading plan, here's some of the requirements. Is a VPS server. Now, what a VPS server is a server on the back end where you can basically turn off your computer, and let the server handle your MT4 platform. And so when those parameters are met, you don't have to worry about your computer falling asleep on you, or the closing out the platform and this and that. There's a lot of benefits in a VPS server. If you have more questions about a VPS server, please contact us, or you can contact your broker for more information. So the next step is upload the MT4 platform or the training platform of Magic onto the VPS server. You draw a line, you enter a command, and the Magic does the rest. And basically, the benefit of this Magic is you will never miss a breakout trade ever again when you have it set up this way. So here are some of the features, and we're looking to add a lot more features onto the Magic. Open an order on a trendline break, like I said, with the distance as well as the limitation. Initial distance support, so false breakout protection, big candlestick filtering and pullback support, dynamic trendline based stop loss and take profit support, dynamic trendline based partial take profit support. Money management risk based lot size calculation, dynamic lot size based on open positions and current SL size, margin check to prevent margin calls, strategic stop loss commands, exiting or existing positions on candle close above, below a trend line. Open a new order on trend line bounce off. So it's a bounce off trade. So if you're looking at a trend line and you're thinking that it's going to bounce off the trend line and continue the trend, there is a command for that as well. So there's dynamic trend line based on stop orders, dynamic trend lines based on limit orders, extensive profit covering and multiple strategy options, stop loss adjustments to break even or even other values, trailing stops at the definite profit target. Also with scalping support, overcoming the brokerage stop size limitations, partial position closing. Hidden stop loss and take profit support hidden from the broker. Opposite command removal. This is for one trade to trigger and the other one to close out the or eliminate the other order. Trading multiple time frames commands inside a channel. Partial pip support and automatic pip scaling for the 5-digit broker. Notification with or without order opening for breaks and pullbacks and reversals, alerts and emails. Time frame protection and offline chart support. So there's no really special requirements. Works together with any existing strategy. Controlling commands can be added to the horizontal lines and trend lines you've already drawn to the charts. So no special lines, coloring, style, etc. are needed. Basically, you can just draw your line the way you want to, enter the command, and it will execute that whatever command you give it. Detailed, easy to understand on screen information. Can manage manual open positions as well as the orders opening with another expert advisor. So it's a very easy installation process that we're going to be putting into place within the installer, and there's going to be for those that do upgrade to the Magic Plus version, there's free fix and updates, detailed user manual, and plenty of explanations on our YouTube channel in the members area as well. And also the removal Magic commands and cleanups, and so on and so forth, and close activate pending orders as well. A couple things I want you to be aware of is our social network channel. There's a YouTube channel, 2 of them. One actually covers the commands. We did change the command from buy start to buy break. So that's one thing to consider, because it was easier for people to understand, the break being inside the command, so command functionalities. Other YouTube channel does cover several trading methodologies. Again, for those that are new for trading, it's best to get mentorship or training on a more aggressive level to help you utilize some of these strategies And some of the actual strategies on the YouTube channel are set as private because we do want to make sure that our users are able to use the Matchstick properly first and understand the markets and get a trading plan put together for them. So there is a user manual and a social network of www.mt4ms.com. It's just kind of like a social network site, and there is a free version as well as a paid version. For those that are trading real money, there is a spot for you so you don't get cluttered with new users. Like I said, we want to separate people that are educated, that are trading real money, with the people that are just coming in that are new to Forex because of the noise. And some traders just specifically want to be focused on making money. Here is the disclaimer here. Please read it. Just realize that trading does involve risk, but the beauty of what we're doing here is it's a proven system. It's not a black box. It's something that is been around for over 5 years. And the great thing about what we're doing here is it's an educational. It works in changing markets, and so you can imagine that it's working in the past, now, and in the future as well. It's best to become educated of the markets to help you succeed in building your trading account. Just a license and agreement. If you use our software, we make sure that you are representing our company and just not just handing it out. We want to control any factors of viruses or any other problems that may come into place. And that's why we want to make sure that you are aware that it is our property, and we just want to make sure our software is used properly to help benefit you and for protection purposes. And so right now, well, we have it on specific brokers on this version. Like I said, if there's a broker that you are interested in working with, let us know and we'll see if we can create an installer for that. But right now, the list that we've presented is the brokers that it works on. Alright guys, well that is a short video for you to get Matchstick onto your charts, start using it, and I hope you enjoy this amazing trading tool. Alright, take care.